Okay people. Sorry, yes I know it's been a while, and logo bloopers is back. Anyways, cue the Star Cinema Productions logo. Why did you put the PLTT logo in there? That's wrong. You're supposed to show Star Cinema and only Star Cinema. Try it again from the top. Cue the Star Cinema Productions logo. No 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 no. You are not supposed to be wavy, you're supposed to be regular. Try it again from the top. Cue yourself. Why did you mirror yourself? That's not it either. You're supposed to be regular and only that. Do you understand? This is your last chance. Screw up again and you're fired. Now, cue your fucking self. Okay. We finally got it right.